Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US-listed Chinese stocks have slumped to their lowest level in over a decade as Beijing struggles to reverse deflation, revive growth, and end a seemingly never-ending property market crisis. The Nasdaq Golden Dragon China Index has dropped over 14% in 2024. The price of Bitcoin fell below $40,000 for the first time since December, as selling continues to overwhelm buying, despite sizable inflows into the new spot exchange-traded funds. The S&P 500 hit a record high close for a second straight session, as tech stocks added to recent gains and investors awaited upcoming corporate reports for clues on this year's profit outlook.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT, the US 52-week bill auction at 16:30 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 0300 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.